if your goal is to enjoy strength, health, and clarity of mind well into your later years, one of your main objectives should be to maintain healthy blood sugar balance. Of course, consistently high blood sugar levels can lead to prediabetes, insulin resistance, and then ultimately diabetes. But it can also dramatically increase your risk of heart disease, Alzheimer's, cancer, and accelerate the aging process, including adding wrinkles to your skin. You probably already know that a low-carb diet is the key to keeping your blood sugar levels in a healthy range, but you might not know just how important it is to consume adequate amounts of healthy fats. Time and time again, diets that are rich in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates have been proven to produce healthier outcomes for diabetics. This includes prediabetes and insulin resistance. But before we look deeper into the benefits of healthy fats, let's take a look at how a low-fat diet actually promotes diabetes, or a diet high in the wrong types of fats. By eating a low-fat diet, calories that would normally come from fat and protein are displaced by carbohydrates. A diet rich in carbs causes blood sugar levels to rise, especially the wrong types of carbs. This causes the pancreas to release insulin to take the sugar from the blood into the muscle cells to be used as fuel. But it doesn't take long before your muscle cells have stored all the sugar they can hold. Then sugar gets shuttled to another place. You guessed it, your fat cells. Not only does this promote an increase in body fat, but it also promotes insulin resistance and diabetes. And if you have insulin resistance, it makes it very difficult for you to lose weight and get healthy. So we want to stabilize blood sugar levels with the right kinds of fat. Unlike carbs, healthy fats have no appreciable effect on blood sugar levels. They are also vitally important for absorption of important fat-soluble nutrients, including A, D, E, and K, and for helping to reduce inflammation in the body. But the type of fat is key, as I've mentioned. Let's take a look at the 3 healthy fats you should be eating to optimize your blood sugar levels and achieve a healthy weight, and of course, ward off degenerative diseases. Number 1, omega-3 fats, essential for blood sugar balance. In the United States, 80% of the fats we consume are omega-6, like those found primarily in vegetable and seed oils like corn, soybean, and cottonseed oil. Omega-6 fats like these have been found to increase inflammation and other key markers of disease. Omega-3 fats, on the other hand, provide potent anti-inflammatory actions. They also improve blood sugar control, reduce triglycerides, and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death among individuals with diabetes. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that those with the highest blood levels of EPA and DHA, the 2 omega-3 fats found in fatty fish, were roughly 33% less likely to develop diabetes over the next decade than their counterparts with the lowest levels. Another recent study published in the Journal of Lipids found that DHA and EPA omega-3 fats may help to lower body fat by encouraging fat burning and reducing the number of fat cells. Even more impressive, researchers found that omega-3 fats act at the genetic level, genetically programming the body to shed fat. And the benefits of omega-3 fats don't end there. Multiple studies have shown that these healthy fats dramatically reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, the leading causes of death among diabetics. A study in China followed more than 18,000 men for 10 years, and this found that those who consume more than 7 ounces of fish or shellfish weekly reduce their risk of fatal heart attack by almost 60%. Another study followed 84,000 women for 16 years. Death from heart disease was up to 34% lower in women who ate fish at least once per week. To get the disease-fighting, heart-healthy benefits of this fat, eat wild seafood, including wild salmon, wild halibut, wild shrimp, and scallops, several times each week, and consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement. But omega-3 fats aren't the only fats that help benefit blood sugar and diabetes. Monounsaturated fats help reduce belly fat and blood sugar. Monounsaturated fats, the best sources include avocados, olive oil, and most nuts, can help balance your blood sugar, get rid of belly fat, and protect against heart disease. A study published in Diabetes Care found that a diet rich in monounsaturated fats helped reduce abdominal fat better than a carbohydrate-rich diet. When study subjects ate a carb-enriched diet, belly fat increased, but when they ate a diet rich in monounsaturated fats, belly fat decreased even without exercise. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that MUFAs, or monounsaturated fats, have a profound effect on your blood sugar. After eating a monounsaturated rich diet for 6 months, study participants saw fasting glucose drop by 3%, insulin by almost 10%, and the insulin resistance score dropped by 12%. While the traditionally recognized sources of monounsaturated fat should be enjoyed pretty liberally, including macadamia nuts, olive oil, and avocados, there are excellent sources of this healing fat that might surprise you, including in duck fat and lard. Duck fat is 45% monounsaturated and 34% saturated. Saturated fats are also great for you in the form of coconut oil and butter, that type of stuff. And last but not least, let's talk about conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. This is the grass-fed fat for leanness. CLA is a powerful compound that has been found to benefit blood sugar levels and reduce leptin, the hormone that regulates body fat levels. So regulating and monitoring that is a great thing. CLA is found exclusively in meat and milk of grass-fed animals, including grass-fed beef, grass-fed cheese, butter, and milk. It's also in high concentrations in grazing game animals such as elk and deer, bison, anything where you can find an organic grass-fed source. In recent years, CLA has been promoted for a wide range of benefits, from melting body fat and lowering hunger hormones to balancing blood sugar and even reducing the risk of cancer. One study notably, after 8 weeks, diabetics who added CLA to their diets not only had lower body mass index and reduced blood sugar measurements, but it showed lower levels of leptin, again, that regulates the fat levels. A couple other studies that I'll link in the description. CLA is also, it's a powerful antioxidant, has a lot of antioxidant properties, which are known to reduce inflammation. As you know, antioxidants help combat free radical and oxidative stress. Essentially, when they prevent cell death. And so we want to keep our cells as healthy as possible, because that's kind of like the starting point for whether or not you are a fat storer or a fat burner. So when it comes to balancing those blood sugar levels and achieving optimal health, focus on low glycemic, low carbohydrate, whole food diet, rich in the healthy fats that I talked about in this video, and you'll get even more culinary satisfaction from every bite, because these types of fats just enhance the flavor profile of any dish. Thanks for watching. I'm Nick Garcia, holistic nutritionist and certified health coach with the Health Report. Subscribe to my channel for more tips just like this one.